Hey, what's up guys? In this video we gonna see how to make $50 in 30 minutes. You can make over and over again guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how you can make $50 in just 30 minutes guys, and it's legitimate way to make money guys, and it's also PayPal money guys, and it's also transfer to bank account guys. Stay tuned for more guys. And if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, Instagram tips, YouTube tips, and some investing tips guys. And hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below. Without any further ado, let's dive into this video guys. And the website we're gonna see is called textbroker.com guys. You probably heard of this textbroker.com. You can make some good amount of money with this guys. Watch till end guys. I show how you can make some lots of money, or how you can make $50 in just 30 minutes guys. Just 30 minutes you can do over and over again and build some capital guys. It's a lots of money guys. You can live with this money guys. You can make 30 minutes $50 in 30 minutes guys. Come out this website textbroker.com, or I leave a link below guys. You can just go click the link and go to this website guys. This is not any affiliate link guys, just a link. Go to this website and sign up guys. Just come out this website and click I write content guys, because you write content, then only you can get paid guys. I show how you can write guys. I watch till end guys for that, and how you can make $50 in 30 minutes guys. Watch till end for that guys. And this is textbroker authors page guys. Some of the big company working with this guys: Staples, CBA, Auto, iProspect, some of the big company guys. And this is earn money to write content guys. And this company is legit guys, because it's been here since 2005 guys. And textbroker is the leading provider for unique custom content of thousands of registration author guys. You can those author guys, you can make some good amount of money with this author with this customer guys. There are almost 100,000 customer all over the world guys, so there is no need of panic out of customer guys, because there is lots of customer. You can make some good amount of money with this guys. And this is the information you need to guys. Just write a text on textbroker, and this is how it's work guys. Textbroker, and this is payment method. This is right scissors guys, and I show how you can make this payment method. Just click this more information guys. So automatically take you to how you can make and how much you can make with this textbroker. Some making some little bit of content to make some lots of money with this guys. And just come out this website. As I told you, the big companies are working with this guys. And this is all about your rating guys. Once you get 2-star rating, 0.7 cents per word guys, not any sentence or character, per word guys. Just per word you can make 0.7 cents guys by 2-star guys. If you had a 3-star, 1 cents per word guys, 4-star 1.4 cent per word guys, and 5-star 5 cent per word guys. Easy money guys. You can easily get 5-star by just first attempt of your writing career guys. It's not any writing career, just to build some capital and do some big business. If you want some big business idea, go to my channel guys. I upload daily video about this content. You can watch this video and do some business. I also upload how you can make some good amount of money, big money guys. Go watch those video and make some good amount of money. First you need to come to this website and build some capital for that website, for that business guys. And this is how it's work guys. Average pay of 4-star author guys. This is the average pay dollars guys, 1.4 cents per word guys. And this is calculator. I show you guys. This is a 1,000 words guys. You can easily type 1,000 words in less than 30 minutes guys. Just 1,000 words you can just literally type in less than 30 minutes guys. If you don't need any skill, just to type 1,000 words literally 30 minutes guys. I show how you can type easily within 10 minutes. I just show guys, but I don't recommend that one guys, because some of the company need some good quality guys. If you use that method I show you in the later, some companies are not like that guys. So I recommend just to type like you want guys, just to type good content, because that only you get some good quality reviews and quality stars. You can boost your income to the next level guys. So I also show that method guys. We can make some good amount of money with this two star review guys. I don't recommend, just to type it in your hand with your quality hand guys. Get some 5-star guys, then only you can make $50 guys per 1000 word guys. As you see guys, 5-star rating, 1000 words, $50 in just 30 minutes guys. This is the video I gonna show you to make some good amount of $50 in just 30 minutes guys. Just you of your 30 minutes you can make $50 guys. You can do over and over again guys. If you increase your word, you can do guys just 2000 word guys. You can make $100 guys. In just 1 hour you can make $100. Who wants this money guys? Hit the subscribe button guys. Just $100 guys. And as I told earlier, I show how you can easily make 1000 words in just 10 minutes guys, but I also don't recommend that, but I show you some people want that. So Google Docs guys, and just go to Google Docs and create some blank text document guys. Create some blank text document and come out with this tools guys. Come out with this tools icon, and there is voice typing guys. Click voice typing and click this one guys. You automatically type it guys. Hello everyone, how are you going? It's online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome media about make money online. Hit the subscribe button, like and share with your friends, and subscribe button guys. Okay guys, this is work like this guys. Just I type wait for a second guys. Just I type 33 words guys. Just I type 33 words in just 33 words in just 10 seconds guys. Say 33 words in 10 seconds. You can literally make 1000 words in just 1 minute or 15 minutes guys. You can make literally 15,000 words in 15 minutes guys. This is the tool. You can just type or voice message. You can easily get 1000 words, and you can make easily this $100 or $50 in just 30 minutes guys. It's easy money. You can build some capital with this, because this is need some work guys. If you don't need this website, if you person like a passive income, if you want a passive income, watch another video guys in my channel. I also upload top 5 passive income idea guys, and some people love to work guys. In this video for those people guys, if you in those people, just to go to textbroker.com guys, click I write content and click free author registration guys. It's automatically take you to this registration page guys, and this click sign up here guys. Click and sign up here as an author guys, and you can make some good amount of money guys. First you need to fill those information guys. There is tons of information you can fill with this guys. Just state of residency you live, and how do you hear us guys. Just to put about in this video, YouTube video, by just online business entrepreneur. Okay guys, it's just fun guys. You must be 18 years of age guys, and you have permanent residence of United States guys. It's not available in the worldwide guys. Sorry for worldwide members of online business entrepreneur YouTube channel. This only available in US citizen guys. If you outside of USA, go watch my another video. That is those videos are better than this video guys. Go that video, go watch that type of video and make some good amount of money like the text broker guys. You can make also $50 in 30 minutes. I also upload the long-term business model guys. Go watch those videos and make some good amount of money this guys. And I love the content of each people talking about text broker, guys, but nobody tells about this only available in the US, guys. So I need to tell you guys this only available in the US. If you're in the outside of US, so go watch my video, guys. If you're in my US subscribers, I hope you guys you can make some good amount of money with this website, guys. I hope you this video helps you a lot to make $50 in 30 minutes, guys. If you help, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.